In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a product in WooCommerce. Fast and easy. Whether you're managing an online store or just getting started, knowing how to efficiently duplicate products can be a huge time saver. Let's dive right in and simplify the process for you. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. If you aren't, you'll need to head over to your website's login page and enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the left-hand side of the dashboard and search for the Products menu option. Simply click on Products, which will lead you to a list of all the products currently available in your online store. Once you're in the Products section, look for the All Products tab. Clicking on this tab will display a complete list of every item you have listed in your store. This step is essential, so you can have a comprehensive view of the products, enabling you to select exactly which item you'd like to duplicate without any confusion. Now that you have the full list of products in front of you, scroll through the page to find the specific product you wish to duplicate. Identifying the right item might involve a little searching if you have a large inventory, but you can also use the search bar at the top to expedite this process by entering keywords from the product name. After finding the product you want to duplicate, hover your mouse pointer over its name. You should see a few options appear beneath the product name, one of which will be Duplicate. Go ahead and click on Duplicate. This action triggers WooCommerce's built-in duplication feature, which creates a copy of your selected product. It's important to note that once you've clicked Duplicate, the process is automatic. WooCommerce will generate a duplicate product with the same information as the original, such as the title, description, price, and other details. However, the new product will have a unique ID to differentiate it within your store's inventory. You might also want to tweak some specifics of the duplicated product, like modifying the title to avoid confusion if you intend to keep both products in your store. And there you have it. Your product has now been duplicated quickly and efficiently. This feature is particularly handy when you're working with similar products that only require slight variations but need to keep consistent with your brand and offerings. Remember, duplicating products not only saves time but also streamlines your workflow when managing a large inventory. If you find this tip helpful, be sure to check out our channel for more quick and easy WooCommerce tutorials. Until next time, happy selling!